Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to keep Microsoft Teams status green. So one of the easiest methods is to start a meeting with yourself. So open Microsoft Teams. Now on the left sidebar, you can click Calendar, or you can also click Meet from the chat section, depending on your version of Teams. So once you're here, you can click Meet Now and start a meeting. You can also click Create a Meeting Link, then click Create and Copy Link. Click join. So click join now. So once you're in the meeting, change your status to available if it isn't already. So click your profile in the top right corner, select your current status and choose available. So the trick here, as long as the meeting is running and your computer stays awake, Teams will usually keep your status to green. Now, if you don't want to stay in a meeting, another option is to manually set your status. So just click your profile picture, then set your current status, then choose available, then click duration and set how long you want the status to remain. So keep in mind that if your computer goes to sleep or your organization has policies that manage presence, your status may still change automatically. And that's it. That's how you can keep your Microsoft Teams status green. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.